Na nababaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Crave Taste for sending us sample ng mga dishes, and these are actually party trays. As of now, they are available via order and delivery. If you have upcoming simple celebrations, family meetup, family gathering, what they're trying to solve is they remove the hassle of preparing things and mag-focus tayo dun sa event, which is most important. Starting off with their products, itong chicken Alfredo pasta. So ang family natin is just 990 pesos. Yung party size naman natin is 1,500 pesos. Now next is the 40 cloves garlic. Not 39, not 41, but 40 cloves of garlic, guys. For the family size, it's 800 pesos only. For the party size, it's 1,500 pesos naman. Now next, sa kanilang mga seafood, if you notice guys, meron tayo ditong baked salmon. Family size, it's 850 pesos. For the party size, 1,600 pesos lamang po yan. Now for the beef, meron tayong Mami's Kare-Kare. I'm assuming ito yung sa mga closed family recipe that they are handing down. They want us now to taste. So this is their Mami's Kare-Kare. Oxtail po yan. For the family size, it's 1,400 pesos. For the party size, it's 2,700 pesos only. Now, when they, deliver it, serve it, separate po yung pinaka-meat natin with the vegetable, additional sauce, and bagoong. Enough with the talk. Let's try the dishes. I wanna go first with, syempre, salmon! You know me. Saan natin dito? Whoa! And then, just like that. Wow. So cheesy, so creamy, so buttery. Alright guys, so yun, more salmon. Wow. Next to try is their pasta. So let me get a little bit since marami pa tayong titikman, guys. Oh wow. Again, so creamy. So, susunod naman natin titikman is lang 40 cloves garlic chicken. Alright, so let me get this one piece of chicken. And then, kuha tayong mga garlic and a little bit of sauce. Let's smash the garlic. Ayan o. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Okay? Wow. Napakalapa. Dito sa tatlo, they're creamy, although you can actually distinct yung differences. Yeah. Alright, so change plate tayo guys, cause I'm really excited dito sa kanilang Mommy's Special. I saved the best for last. Whoa, look at that. Diba? And then let me get this sauce on top. Actually, we have a sauce here, pero I prefer this one on top. Now for the vegetables, I like this, mga string beans, eggplant, a little bit of bagoong, and this ox tail. Wow! Can't wait, can't wait. Lambot guys, sobrang lambot. Without any of the other ingredients, ito muna. Happiness guys. Alright, so yun guys, Crave Taste has a lot more to offer. You can order from their mga categories from pastas, pork and chicken, beef, as well as seafood. You don't have to worry about what to prepare. Actually, sabi nga nila dito, they make your celebrations extra special through food. So if you're interested to taste this one, go check out their fan page, message them for orders and advance orders. There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. I'm gonna share this with my family. Until then, thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Peace out. Bye guys.